Okay, this is just a follow-up on this video. It's 2011 Cross Country. I just cut the key on it. It gave me the blank spots. Let me see what it does now. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Cut it on. Okay, see how it has the gear indicator there? Neutral. Let's test my turn signals. Okay, turn signals are not working. If I try to turn this over right now, this bike will not have spark, and the fuel pump will not come on. So let's try this first. I'm going to go over here again. Flasher module underneath the right side cover by the fuse box. I'm going to keep the phone on the display. I'm just going to tap this flasher module. There we go. There we go. Fuel pump came on. You might have heard that. The neutral gear indicator came on. Let's test my turn signals. Turn signals are working now. This bike will fire now. Give it a little throttle. Open her up. Oh, got the other symptom I just showed in the video the other day. So now what we're going to do, they're going to do the same thing we did the other day, or when I posted this. I'm going to hold the start button. So now we have the same condition that was in the video previously. Got a neutral light. We got turn signals that are working. We got a no starter button working situation. Again, I'm going to tap this flasher module just like this. I'm going to hold the starter button with my elbow, or at least try to. And let's see what she does. Let me make sure I'm holding it. And there we go. You saw the full display of all the symptoms that it had on this bike. Again, it's a 2011 Cross Country. It's having a no starting issue. Again, it's all related to the flasher relay. Those are all the symptoms that I had, but you also saw them in different stages, okay? Any questions, put below.